Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we are doing 10 minute, no equipment, no plank, lower abs workout. So we have 5 different exercises that we're going to go over twice. Each exercise will be 50 seconds of work followed by 10 seconds of break. So what we need today is just our mats, but don't forget your water and your towel. Everything will be low impact, no jumping at all. Also, if you enjoy this workout, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and turn that notification bell on so you know when the next videos are uploaded. Okay guys, if you're ready, let's go and get started. 여러분 안녕하세요. 인터벌업의 애슐리입니다. 자, 오늘은 저와 함께 10분 동안 맨몸 아랫배, 똥배 집중 복근 운동을 해볼 건데요. 그래서 오늘은 총 5가지 운동을 2세트 해볼 겁니다. 각 운동은 50초 운동과 10초 휴식으로 이루어지며 오늘은 플랭크가 없는 동작들입니다. 그래서 오늘 필요하신 거는 매트만 준비해 주시면 되고요. 대신 드실 물과 땀 닦을 타올도 잊지 마시고요. 오늘은 뛰는 동작이 없는 모두 다 층간소음 없는 동작들입니다. 그리고 이 운동을 즐기셨다면 좋아요와 구독 꼭 부탁드리고요. 알람 설정도 꼭 눌러주세요. 그리고 타이거 왔네요. 타이거도 준비. 자, 그럼 준비되셨으면 시작해보러 갈까요? Get ready everyone. Big arm circles. Reverse it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hamstring curls. 4 kicks. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Swing your arms, legs side to side. Openers, 3, 2, 1, other side, 3, 2, and 1. Hands on your shoulders, rotate, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Jog it up for 10 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so first exercise, we are doing leg raise right here. So 50 seconds, here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Right here, exhale up, inhale down. Now modify, bend your knees, you can tap your heels, right here. Good. Otherwise, flutter kicks. Here we go. Breathe, tighter. Next one, running crunch. I'm gonna have to be here. Running crunch. Now modify. You can tap your knees instead. Right here. Otherwise,
wish you could slide into my mind and make me mine. Push play rewind. It's outside and so am I. You wanna slide like dynamite. Hey, your eyes on me, find out with me, baby. Yeah.
take a break. We're gonna stand up and do high knee pull 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. 2, 3, 4, 5, keep going. Next one, reverse lunge to knee lift, alternating sides. And quick water break. Okay, everyone, let's start with round 2. Back to leg raises. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. And then next, flutter kicks.
Maybe if I stay, maybe if I hold on a little longer, maybe if I stay, maybe I will find what I am looking for. I wanna be somebody, hanging with somebody.
And then running crunch. Good.
One glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? moment till the end of time, 'cause I know that it might be over after tonight. So before I change my mind, your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you, sweeter than summer wine.
And then
baby,
reverse lunge to knee lift.
like a drug, I am hooked on you, and that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. Bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. Oh man, you make it
And
feel like
we are done.
paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind.
Get water.
Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. Oh, bittersweet, give it to me.
Shake your arms out, legs out. 3, 2, 1. Up and over. Good. Side to side, slightly lean back. Open. And release your fingers. Press up and slowly bend forward. And quad stretch. Switch. Heel down, toes up, hips back. And switch. Good. Right over left, gently press it down. And switch. And we're gonna finish with 3 deep breaths in and out. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more. 1 more time. And we are done for today. That was our no equipment, no plank, lower ab workout. Hope you all enjoy the workout. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it. And if you have any great workout ideas and suggestions, please write in the comments below anything you'd like to share. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great day. Drink your water, stretch more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.